Physicsvilla, an education company, marks its entry into Tamil Nadu with the inauguration of 3 new tech-enabled offline Physicsvilla, Vidyapeeth, centers in Chennai. Located in Medavakkam, Anna Nagar, and Ashok Nagar, the centers feature tech-enabled classrooms, offering a conducive learning environment. Furthermore, Ankit Gupta, CEO offline at Physicsvilla, attended the inauguration ceremonies at each of the centers. Physicsvilla Vidyapeeths are tech-enabled offline centers where students attend in-person classes taught by experienced teachers. These centers offer a comprehensive curriculum for IIT, JEE, NEET, Foundation and also focus on scholastic exams such as Olympiads. They offer facilities such as recorded lectures, assistance with NCERT materials, offline doubt solving, daily practice problems, specialized modules, activity-based learning, previous year questions, and PWAITS. The centers also have a dedicated desk for the Student Success Team, SST, and a parent-teacher dashboard system for updates on student progress.
Vanakkam, my name is Sanjay, Regional Academic Head for Mumbai, Bangalore and Chennai region. And today it gives me immense pleasure to inform you all that we are inaugurating our first 3 branches in Chennai, that is Medavakkam, Ashok Nagar and Anna Nagar. So here at Physicsvilla Vidyapeeth centers, we are extremely happy and awaiting all the students, those who are aspiring to become doctor and engineer, and also they wanted to build their strong foundation by clearing lot of Olympiad exams. We are eagerly all of them to come and join with us so that they can actually get an experience at offline centers, which is highly tech enabled program, and ultimately they get the impactful journey with us. You know, at Physicsvilla we have 2 different apps. One goes for students, which helps them to cater their day-to-day progress. Also the classes which they attend, the same day the class gets uploaded on that particular app, including the homework tracking. And also if we talk about for the parents, because nowadays it become a need of for the parent that they wanted to see everything which is happening in the life of their child, especially related to the coaching. So considering this requirement into mind, we have launched a SPD, which is called Student Parent Dashboard, which gives a one-stop solution to any parent. They can track their attendance, how many days they were present in a month, what is the schedule, what is the tracking of the work which faculties are assigning to the student. Other than whatever test they write, a complete detailed test analysis also they can see in the parent tab. Once they come down to the center, we ensure that they get a very connected ecosystem in terms of learning. Be it the moment they enter, they get access to punch in their attendance through the biometric machine. Then they become a part of this classroom program where you can see this smart board, and every teacher comes with a predefined PPT with a very less content, and then they customize that PPT and make the student experience much better. The same class get recorded at the same time and goes uploaded on the student app. And after the class, we have a very regular time doubt session scheduled at the center. Once they are at home, it doesn't mean that they are disconnected with us. They can ask even their n number of questions through our AI generated app, which we call Alak AI app. So that's how we have built a very strong ecosystem for this. Yeah, any child can join us, right? And we have a scholarship test called PWSET, where it's a 1-hour test. They can write it at being at home. They can register through our official website, and they can avail up to 90% scholarship through that test.